It's just like me coming back stronger than ever because I've been through a lot.
In a recent interview with Spotify, the blessed singer spilled the tea on her evolving sound and the struggle to stay fresh in the ever-changing music scene. She's known for her dancehall vibes, but Shenseea is not one to stick to the status quo. Nope, she's all about pushing boundaries and embracing the new. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Shenseea dropped a bombshell suggestion. She's thinking of rebranding herself as a dancehall pop or reggae pop artist. Yep, you heard it right. It's like she's creating a whole new lane for herself, blending genres like a pro mixologist. But hold on, folks. Before you start making up your minds, let's ponder over this. Is this a genius move to keep her music fresh and exciting? Or is it a risky gamble that might alienate her hardcore dancehall fans? We're dying to know your thoughts on this, so make sure to sound off in the comments below. And hey, if you're loving this gossip as much as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on your favorite artists. Now, let's keep the chatter going. What do you think about Shenseea's genre revelation? Let's spill the tea, folks.